If you have issue with your Bluetooth device not working properly on the Redmi 15, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna choose more connectivity options where we can check if the airplane mode is enabled. And we want to make sure that it is disabled. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident, and of course we don't want that in that case. Now besides that, we're gonna go to Bluetooth, and at first we can simply turn off and turn back on the whole Bluetooth feature. And this can also solve some issues, despite how easy it sounds. And if that didn't help, another thing that you can do is simply remove your device from the smartphone, disconnect it, unpair it completely. So you can tap on this arrow over here on the right side in order to go to the details, and over here you can unpair. And then you can simply try to pair your Bluetooth device again. And also, you can make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device. And I know sometimes we can use one Bluetooth device for different smartphones or different devices, generally speaking. So you just want to make sure that it is not connected to anything else. Most of the time, you can also enable some sort of turn on some sort of pairing mode on your Bluetooth device, which should help you disconnect from other devices and let a new device be paired with your Bluetooth device. And in some cases, there is no pairing button, unfortunately. So in that case, you might want to check how to, for example, factory reset your Bluetooth device. You will need to hard reset your device in order to remove every connection that you had with your Bluetooth device in order to clear everything so that you can connect with your Redmi 15. And I'm gonna also check if there's anything in additional settings, and I don't think these settings matter that much, so I think we can skip that. Now, if none of this helped, there's also one more thing that we can do. We're gonna go back to settings and then once again to more connectivity options, and this time we're gonna go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. And unfortunately, you cannot separate these three things, so if you decide to reset Bluetooth, you will also reset mobile data settings and Wi-Fi settings, which means that you will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, for example. So keep that in mind. And of course, if you reset Bluetooth settings, then you will have to reconnect to your Bluetooth devices as well. Nevertheless, once you are ready, you want to press reset settings at the bottom of the screen, and then you can go back to Bluetooth settings once that is done in order to pair your Bluetooth device again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.